Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand. If you guys can see, it's by the brand ORFELD. And pretty much what this is a cordless vacuum that you can use at home, in office, or wherever you guys want to. But first thing first, I'm actually unbox it and show you what comes out of the package first. So when you guys first open the package, this is basically where you get inside. So to give you a little quick starter guide or user manual right here, and as you can see all the different parts of the actual cordless vacuum itself, ranging from the shaft to the actual vacuum itself, and then the actual brush head itself, and etc. So let me actually put this down first and show you guys each part that comes in the package first. So there's probably this little brush head that you can use to vacuum certain parts that you guys can't reach. And then here is a shaft to attach onto the product if you guys want to use that as regular vacuum. Here is the cord that you guys want to use to charge the product. Here is the battery that is actually put on the product itself. Here is the vacuum handle, if you can see. Very nicely built and everything. And the last and final thing is the actual brush head itself right here, if you can see. So this part you guys will actually put in the ground to actually start vacuuming and everything. And then here is where you guys will put in the shaft or this pole itself to extend the product to actually start using whatnot. So let me actually put it all together and then see how it looks like, and then we're gonna do a quick test. So you want to put this part right here like this until you hear a little click. And then once you guys click it together, then you guys can see it's all set. If you guys want to release it, just press this button right here to release it. Now you guys want to put this part onto here like this. And then you guys want to release it, just click that button right here. If you guys can see right here, this is the slot where you actually do vacuum the dust or air in here. And you guys can simply press this button to open it, to release it, to pull it out, to dump it. Or if you guys want to, just press this button right here to release it in the bottom like this. So you guys have those two options. And then this is where you guys will actually put in the battery right here, as you can see. So let's open up the battery first. So basically you guys just want to put the battery in like this, and then clip it in place, and then you should be able to start using the product. But if you guys take a look right here, this is where you actually will plug in the cable to charge the product. And then if you guys want to release the battery, there's a little slot right here to push. So if you guys want to pull it out, you guys can't. But if you guys push this button like this, then you guys can remove the battery out like that very easily. And then basically how you guys turn on the product is by pressing the buttons right here. So you guys click this button right here, it turns on. And you guys can use two different settings on here. So there's like a regular speed or a max speed. And if you guys want to see the battery level, it actually will show you guys the battery level right here. So that's basically everything that comes in the package itself and how to actually use the product. Let's actually do a quick test and a quick charging test to show you guys how you guys know when it's charging and whether or not the product actually works or not. And then come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so we have the product all plugged in. You guys can see it's charging right now. The battery is super low when you guys first get it, so you guys can't really use it until you guys fully charge it. So if you guys don't want to mount the charger block, you guys can actually remove the actual vacuum itself. You guys can put it separately like this and just charge it like that. So then that way you guys don't have to have the vacuum always stuck together to charge it. Alright, so here we have the product. We charged it up a little bit. I just want to test it out to show you guys what it looks like before I continue letting it fully charge. So let's turn it on real quick. Turn it on the maximum. Alright, let's turn it off. So you can see that there's a couple here and dust that is caught or vacuumed into the product. So it is pretty loud and everything, but it does work and it works really well. I really like the option of how there's a light on the product, so that way you can see like where you guys are vacuuming and everything. So if you guys want to throw away the trash, you guys have two options. Either click this button right here, or turn on the other side right here, where there's a release button, and you guys press that to open it. You can just dump everything out like that. So let me press it out first. So just like that, and you guys can see that there's a filter right here that you can remove. So you guys can either remove that filter first and then dump it, or you guys can just click this button right here in the bottom to release it. So I'm gonna use the button right now and just throw out all the trash inside. So you guys can see there's all the trash inside. There's still some inside, so you guys might have to like clean out a little bit more, like shake it out a little bit more, or use a glove to like remove the dust and everything else. But if you guys can see on the filter, there is still some dust in the filter, so the filter does work and the vacuum itself works. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the test of the product. You guys can see it actually does work and it works really well. It's actually really loud compared to my old vacuum cleaner that I tested in the past. So I'm not sure if you guys saw in the video or not, but everything got sucked into the product really well. But I definitely love the option of how you guys can control like the speed level or how powerful the product is. So there's a low or a high setting. My other vacuum that I have did not have that setting or have that option. One thing I definitely like about the product is the fact that for the brush head or this part right here, you guys can actually go forward or backwards like this. Or if you guys want to, you guys can go sideways like this as well, which is pretty cool. So basically, you guys can use this to reach any part of your house or whatever, which is pretty nice. And also another thing I really like is the fact that you guys can actually dump the trash really easy as well. So you guys can either take the whole thing and dump it, or you guys can just dump it by clicking this one button to release it. So in terms of the battery life on the product itself, how long does it work and how long does it take to charge? So if you guys use it at the maximum power, then you can use up to 15 minutes maximum. But if you guys use it at the standard low level, which is not the most powerful one, you guys can use that for up to 50 minutes. So most likely, I'm pretty sure you guys want to use like the most powerful ones that you guys can actually suck a lot of stuff easier and you guys don't have to go back and forth all the time. But definitely it's a really nice option where you can actually change from powerful or less powerful. And in terms of charging the product itself, it most likely take you guys around like 4 to 5 hours to fully charge the product. So now that we did the quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So in terms of the design of the product, is actually really nice. I feel like the quality of my other vacuum is actually much higher quality than this one, but this one's much more lightweight, and I actually like the packaging a lot because of how small the box is. If you guys remember from the last vacuum that I tested from, I believe like over a year ago, the box for that one was really big and wasted a lot of space. I feel like this brand is not so well known or anything, or nothing up there, nothing too special, but it does its job as a vacuum, and that's really nice. So just by judging as a first hand kind of point of view of the product itself, I would have to say that if you guys need one of these or want one of these, then it's definitely worth it. It just depends on like your preference or what you guys want. Like if you guys want something that looks better, or if you guys want something that has more suction power, or if you guys want something that is much more high quality or whatever, like all different factors, it will definitely come down to you guys at the end of the day. But this product definitely has a really strong suction power, really easy to use, really easy to maintain, but they don't provide you a lot of other like accessories like how the other one did. But with all that considered, I still have to say that this product is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback with this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have